Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka US Consulate General Kolkata da ka jingkaman kala pediang sngobha ya ka kinhuntam jong ka United States Air Force Band of the Pacific hanong ba Shillong kabadi ka Sien ka Nyngkong bakin yo ya shimenta hakani ka nong ba kum kawe na kinhun ruai ba pawnam jong ka US haka Indo Pacific ka kinhun kala yo ban shimenta ha St Anthony's College haringkat ki khana pule ki bakantup na ka Bethany Society bat ki ki school kinong hikai kinong tem bat ki pat ba ukolbi Parker ubade udkhot jong kan ka kunhun tem ulapan pau ka jingkmen bakum ka kunhun kan yo ban shimenta ha ka Sien ka Nyngkong hari India ha ka ba ulapan pau ka jing sngotanat ban shimenta ha ka ni gari ulaong ba ka jingwan shimenta jong ka kunhun ha India ka sedang na Kolkata nang ta ha Guwahati bat menta ha Shillong ha ka ba kilayo ya ka jing pediang sngoba ka ba sngotanat upalka ulaya ro eki khana pulie bakilong ki batbet ha ka jing shimenta jongki kani ka kunhun tem kan sayo ban shimenta ha evening club menta ka miet bat kilapan pauru ka jing thrang jongki ban wan biang she India ha ki por ban sawan da ka ba kila bu ru shakmat ya ka India ban wan biang sa Sien.
And we've been in this country for almost a week, and we've enjoyed every minute of it, and enjoyed meeting every single person that we've met. Your culture, your language, your food, it's all so wonderful, and the music as well. My name is Staff Sergeant Daniel Thrower. I am the leader of this group of wonderful musicians here, and all that means is that I get to take credit for all their hard work. And speaking of their hard work, that opening piece that you heard just now was composed by our very own tuba player, Staff Sergeant Select. It has become our signature piece and has opened many concerts. Its title is Pacific Fanfare and Theme. We're going to continue with a lot more cultural diversity here, starting with Latin America, with a piece called Donde Estás, Yolanda, which means, Where are you, Yolanda?
Hello, I'm Senior Airman Colby Parker from the United States Air Force Band of the Pacific Asia. We have had an absolutely amazing here in India. We began our tour in Kolkata, moved to Guwahati, and then are finishing up here in Shillong. And every single place we have received an incredibly warm welcome. Everyone has been generous beyond belief. We have had amazing audiences and made a ton of friends along the way. And we have eaten the most incredible food of our lives, day after day after day. It has been just incredible experience after another. Oh yes, so our programs have all started off with our band's signature piece, which is called Pacific Fanfare and Theme. That's actually an original composition by myself. We're also playing a few other songs. One is Donde Estás Yolanda, a Latin American song. We finished off our concert just now with a version of Cholte Cholte, and all of our shows have been a little bit different. It's been a real pleasure to get to hear a lot of different student performers and other performing ensembles everywhere that we've traveled to. We've learned so much about local music, and I think it's made us all better musicians as well. Oh my gosh, I have never seen student musicians this good before. I was literally moved to tears. There were tears streaming down my face at the performances that were happening on stage in front of us. And it really is a very powerful thing to be in a position like we have, where you can see in a minute the power that music has to dissolve the barriers between people. We would come into a space like this and not know a single person in the audience, but as soon as they start making music for us or we start making music for them, any differences that we might have between us just go away, and all of a sudden we're just people face to face building friendships and partnerships, and there's nothing more powerful than that in this day and age. So unfortunately today is the last day of our concert tour. We're going to be finishing up tonight at the Evening Club, and that is going to be our last show, but we've just had amazing times. We have a lot to thank to the many great sponsors who brought us here, and of course the United States Consulate in Kolkata, who've been organizing our travel. Oh my gosh, I don't want to leave. I will stay. I will come back to India whenever there is an opportunity. Our band has a very large area of responsibility. We cover 36 countries, and we only have 25 members, so we're extremely busy. But India is the absolute top of our list, both in terms of priority of building partnerships here between the United States and India, and also just in terms of what an incredibly wonderful time it is for all of us, thanks to the incredible people in our audiences and in your communities.
Okay. Thank you so much.